Good day to everyone. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about power. So what is power? It is defined as the rate of doing work or the rate of transferring energy. The more powerful the machine is, the quicker it does a fixed amount of work or transfer a fixed amount of energy. So from this definition itself, we can actually say that power is equals to work over time, or as the symbol says, capital P and capital W over time. So work over time is our power, and this is a power triangle. So if you're going to derive the formula for power, work done, and time, and power has a unit of watt, and work has a unit of joule, and time in seconds. So watt here, then other unit for power is joules per second. As the formula goes, we have work, so joules over second. And the other derived unit, it's Newton meter per second. Newton meter is actually another unit for work. So work is also equals to force times distance. Okay, so force times distance and over time for power. And this is the base unit for power. So solving for the formula for work done. So the formula would be equal to power times time. So work equals to power times time, or W equals to P times T. And the unit for that is joules, or this base unit, kilograms meter squared per second squared. So in this case, we're going to find time given work and power. So if you're going to find time, you're going to divide work divided by the power to get the time for this given. And only unit for this is in seconds. Example. So a crane lifts a 100 girder for a skyscraper by 20 meters in 40 seconds. So it's actually lifting something in 20 meters. And it took around 40 seconds to do that. So hence it does a work. It does this one. Again, it's a work because it has a unit of joules or J. This is very important. You need to know the units, otherwise it will be hard for you to identify the givens. So it does the work for 20,000 joules in 40 seconds. So this is actually this given here, the 20 meters and 100 kilograms converted to work already. So there's no need to solve for it. Then calculate the power over this time. This is the very first thing you need to do before answering your problem. You need to identify first the givens. So work is stated in the problem. Work of 20,000 joules and time of 40 seconds. Power triangle. You can say that power is equals to work done over time. Then we'll have our formula. Power equals to work done over time. Okay. Okay, with these values, we can actually solve for our power. So work, or W, equals to this one here, and time goes to to the bottom. That's why we will have these values. So using your calculator, we can arrive at the power equals to 500 watts. So another example, a student with a weight of 600 newtons runs up the flight of stairs, a distance of 5 meters in 6 seconds. Okay, and then calculate the student's power. Take note our given. So first, we need to write our given. Identify the givens. We have force. The force again is equals to our weight. So force is just equals to your weight, which is 600 newtons. And we have a distance, which is 5 meters. And the time taken is 6 seconds. Then we need to solve for our work done. Work done has a formula of work equals to force times distance, which is given in our problem. So we just multiply our force, which is 600 Newton, times the distance, which is 5 meters. Then you will get the answer of 3000 joules. Okay, with this given that we have, we can actually solve for our power. So again, looking at the power triangle formula, we can solve the problem using the formula equals power equals to work done over time, which is this one. Then just substitute the given work, 3000 joules, and time, 6 seconds, arriving at the answer of 500 watts. Okay, so that ends our topic on power. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I hope you had a great day. Thank you.